Today let's talk about ticagrelor downregulates the expression of proteogenic and pro-inflammatory microRNA 125B compared to clopidogrel, a randomized, controlled trial. Platelet P2Y12 antagonist ticagrelor reduces cardiovascular mortality after acute myocardial infarction compared to clopidogrel, but the underlying mechanism is unknown. Because activated platelets release proteogenic and pro-inflammatory microRNA, including microRNA 125A, microRNA 125B, and microRNA 223, we hypothesized that the expression of these microRNA is lower on ticagrelor compared to clopidogrel. We compared microRNA 125A, microRNA 125B, and microRNA 223 expression in plasma of patients after acute myocardial infarction treated with ticagrelor or clopidogrel. Coming to methods, after percutaneous coronary intervention on acetylsalicylic acid and clopidogrel, 60 patients with first acute myocardial infarction were randomized to switch to ticagrelor or to continue with clopidogrel. Plasma expression of microRNA 223, microRNA 125A, 5P, microRNA 125B was measured using quantitative polymerase chain reaction at baseline and after 72 hours and 6 months of treatment with ticagrelor or clopidogrel in patients and 1 in 30 healthy volunteers. Multiple electrode aggregometry using ADP test was used to determine platelet reactivity in response to P2Y12 inhibitors. Coming to results, expression of microRNA 125B was higher in patients with acute myocardial infarction 72 hours and 6 months compared to healthy volunteers, whereas expression of microRNA 125A, 5P, and microRNA 223 were comparable. In patients randomized to ticagrelor, expression of microRNA 125B decreased at 72 hours and increased back to baseline at 6 months. Expression of microRNA 125A, 5P, and microRNA -223 was not affected by the switch from clopidogrel to ticagrelor. In conclusion, ticagrelor treatment leads to lower plasma expression of microRNA 125B after acute myocardial infarction compared to clopidogrel. Higher expression of microRNA 125B might explain recurrent thrombotic events and worse clinical outcomes in patients treated with clopidogrel compared to ticagrelor.